Are you over 60 and noticing your legs feel swollen or your joints aren't as strong as they used to be? You're not alone. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, a natural protein that supports joint flexibility and healthy circulation. But there's good news. What you eat can make a big difference. Let's unlock the power of collagen-rich foods to help reduce leg swelling and boost your joint strength, so you can stay active and enjoy every moment. First on the list is bone broth, a classic remedy that's making a comeback for good reason. Packed with collagen, minerals, and amino acids, a warm cup of bone broth can support your body's natural repair process. Imagine cozy evenings with a nourishing mug that helps your joints move more freely. Next up, eggs aren't just breakfast staples, they're collagen powerhouses. The whites, in particular, are loaded with proline, an amino acid essential for making collagen. Starting your day with eggs can set the stage for stronger joints and healthier veins all day long. Don't overlook fish, especially salmon and sardines. These oily fish are rich in both collagen and omega-3 fatty acids, which work together to ease inflammation and support circulation. Just think, adding grilled salmon to your weekly meals could mean less swelling and more energy for the activities you love. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons do more than boost your immune system. Their vitamin C content is crucial for collagen synthesis, helping your body rebuild and maintain healthy connective tissues. Enjoying a fresh orange in the afternoon isn't just refreshing, it's also a step towards stronger legs and joints. Chicken, especially the skin and cartilage, is another star food. If you like chicken soup, you're already on the right track, as simmering chicken releases collagen into the broth. This classic comfort food can be your secret weapon for joint resilience. Soy products, such as tofu and edamame, bring plant-based benefits to the table. They contain genistein, a compound that supports collagen production and may help reduce inflammation. Whether you sprinkle edamame on your salad or add tofu to a stir-fry, you're giving your body a collagen boost with every bite. Berries, like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, aren't just tasty snacks. Their antioxidants protect your collagen from breakdown, while vitamin C helps your body make more of this vital protein. A handful of berries can sweeten your day and support your legs and joints from the inside out. Finally, leafy greens like spinach and kale are collagen-friendly superfoods. Loaded with vitamin C and chlorophyll, they help your body repair and strengthen connective tissues. Tossing a few handfuls into your lunch or dinner can make a real difference, keeping you agile and reducing that uncomfortable swelling. Incorporating these 8 collagen-rich foods into your routine isn't just about nutrition. It's about reclaiming comfort, mobility, and joy in your everyday life. Small changes to your plate can add up to big improvements in how you move, feel, and live. So, why not start today? Your joints and legs will thank you for years to come.